Hello everyone, what's going on? Today one of my friend called me and asked. He said he could not find the battery icon, battery notification icon in the taskbar. He has looked everywhere in the taskbar and he has clicked the triangle and he could not find it. If you have the same problem, so this is the way to solve this problem. First, take your mouse pointer onto the taskbar. Then right click using your mouse. Then you will get the taskbar right click menu. In the bottom you will see a command called taskbar settings. Click taskbar settings. Then you will see the settings window for the taskbar. Using the scroll bars or using the scroller of the mouse, you can go down. So go down and find turn system icons on or off. Right, what you have to do, you are here, go little down and find turn system icons on or off. Click that one. Then you will get a list of icons and on off button it will come. Now the first one is the clock one. So if you don't want to show your clock here, just click the on off button, then your clock has gone. If you want to take it back, click on the off button, then it will be on. Right, so our problem was our battery was missing. Then you need to find where is the battery. Okay, here battery is mentioned as power, so you need to turn on this section. When you turn on this section, you will see your battery icon has come back. Okay, it's a very simple thing. I hope this is the solution for your issue. So please subscribe this channel and make sure you hit the bell icon. And if you have any idea or if any issues, please comment in the comment section. Thank you very much.